And now let's go to the ongoing voters registration exercise that is now on its second week. And still, the numbers are low. The exercise kicked off countrywide to a slow start, with the youth being urged to turn out in large numbers and register as voters. Let's link up now with our reporter Clement Masombo, who is in Nyeri. Clement, how is the exercise over in Nyeri County so far?
Well, considering that this is the second week of the continuous voter registration exercise, things are not looking so good. And with the target of over 400,000 new voters in Nyeri, we are doing so badly, consider if the numbers that we have is anything to go by. And as it stands, is that as at Friday last week, a total of 150 only is the number that they had received. The IEBC officers had registered by Friday, and Tetu constituency had registered 16. Kieni constituency.
As the Independent Electoral and Boundaries